I don't got a reason to lie. They gave me the key to the sky, but I'd rather open my eyes, cause that's what'll keep me alive. Something that sees in my mind. Please do not fuck up my day. Everybody want a headline, I don't got nothing to say. Except I'm coming back with the freshness. You know I love making the entrance. Now, don't get defensive. Time is a matter of seconds.
Doing a nice intercooler swap here. What are we doing?
Some hack shit.
Wheels off.
4 bolts, 2 screws. This is gotta tilt it that way. Stand away.
I can kick it really good from where I'm at right now.
I don't want to kick it. I might need to just use a wrench.
You think you can just spin the whole thing off?
Yeah, but I can't because of that.
Take that thing off. Oh.
Minto. Oh, now you just fucked yourself.
What?
You gotta tilt it up.
Why don't you just take that other piece off? It's already broken. Fucking weightlifting over here. It's definitely coming off.
Spinning.
Is it? Here, wait, can you get the wrench on it? Because if you can get it on
it won't even go on because it's so bent. It's got like a weird ass angle. Oh, I can get it there. Hold it right there.
So we hold it up like this, you stick a sawzall underneath here and chop that.
No.
We'll just
It would work.
leave some threads on it and we'll grab it with the fucking vice grip and just turn it out that way.
Alright.
Yeah.
So you don't have an ugly ass bolt. Not that you're ever gonna see it, it's behind your crash bar.
Yeah.
Or it's on there.
Dude, there's no.
What do you mean bring it over here?
The sawzall's over here.
Bring that
Put
over
an
here.
extension cord on it.
Bring that, dude.
Over here.
Bring it over here.
No.
Dude, we're not walking over there.
Why?
Okay, fine. Down next to you. Oh, we're already hitting shit.
Stuff's big. Halfway.
Yeah.
Honestly, kick it off at this point.
Fuck it, I'll just send cutting it. Hold the intercooler. Don't hold it up, hold it out.
Got like the smallest damn bit left.
break that.
Just do this. Here. Just like slam it on the ground. Well, that's like the perfect thumbnail right there. Yes.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
This has to go. Take that bolt out.
I did. What bolt?
Let's get these two middle ones in. There we go. Just go slow with them.
Alright.
And just once I feel like once it gets tight, it's gonna start stripping. So. This one's perfectly lined up over here. Do your one.
Dude, did you just fart over there?
No,
Do this one.
Is that one tight over there?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's not like all the way tight.
Yeah.
Alright, now you gotta hold
Dude,
this. I can't do it.
Watch this, watch this.
I know, I don't know why it does that, but. Send her home.
Send her home. Fuck. That ain't never coming out. Crash bar is back in. Stock intercooler going in now.
This was the front mount on the car when I bought it. And it is
Literally
mangled.
Totaled. Like that's horrible.
My last car might have been totaled, but this thing, beyond totaled.
Beyond totaled for sure.
Louis,
Yeah.
you gotta tell me when you're filming so I don't say some hack shit on camera. Yo.
This is so hack. You should be using a ratchet for this, man.
I don't have that kind of time, dude.
Look at this guy. He's got his Tommy FES spec bolts. All zinc plated. John.
Look, I don't even need the swivel, but I'm still gonna use it. Yo, what just happened? Did I break it? No, it's just going in the fucking butter. I don't think it's gonna go in anymore. It's fine.
Do some work. Fucking jeweling around the shop. Look at this guy doing gymnastics in his gym bay.
My legs started.
Is it like a diesel truck? You gotta climb on top of it and lay down just to do some work?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, dude.
It's worse.
Hey, man. Hey, good morning, man. Where? Say good morning. It's nighttime, maybe.
Hey boys, how you doing today? Hi. This is a sweet hand intake, big fast tonight.
Hey, buddy, man.
It's
Shane,
pretty
nice-
tight.
Nice to meet you.
Alright. Now the only thing left
Put the bumper on.
is this fucking situation right
Situation, dude. Super glue.
here. I should have done this a long ass time ago. Oops. Oh.
Yeah, and that fucking bag up there.
Another zip tie for the collection.
Wait, where'd it go? Oh. This is hack. This is the most hack thing I've ever done.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Dude, it looks just like the old Jetta now.
What do you mean?
It honestly does. Looks fine.
Nice. I need to get some snippers.
Just leave it on the zip tie. basically.
No, I am not that big of a hack.
This is how not to change an intercooler in your Jetta. Start it up. Let's see if there's a vacuum leak.
Let me make sure everything's good first. That's on. What else did I have to do?
Here.
Nothing.
Alright, let's see.
Oh, wait. The Johnson down here. How'd
I
you...
just need to mount it. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Oh my god, it's not even gonna fit over the stud.
You want me to say that?
Yo, that's too nice.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Oh, it's faster. Oh, it's faster, boys. I knew that was my fucking issue. Dude, this thing fucking kicks! Yo, I'm actually so hyped. This is dope. Gotta see if the two-step still is loud. It like actually puts you back in the seat now, huh? I know. Are you ready? Yeah, it's loud. Stock intercooler for the win!
Honestly, this thing rips.
We just spun first.
All right, she's all put back together.
Really productive day here at the Shane Geeson's mod shop.
It has.
Still need to do a few things.
Wash the car.
Wash the car for sure. But she fucking hits and it's gonna be fun.
Zip ties.
Stay tuned.
Plenty of zip ties. All right, man.
Young Love YouTube channel.
See ya. See ya, Jesse.